Welcome to the ArcGIS course. So in today's lecture I will show you how to convert a raster map into a vector map. In the previous lecture we classify my area into 5 classes, but I named the columns as names. So you have river, urban areas, bare soil, desert, vegetation. So on today's lecture we'll convert this raster map into a vector map, from raster to polygon. Go for toolbox. In the toolbox we have conversion tools, and we have from raster to polygon. Input raster, this is class is 3. For the field, this is optional, but you can check from here. So let me open the attribute table. I'm going to select the names, open attribute table. You can see the same options you got in here is the same options with this is value count, this is names. I need to select by my names, my classification, so names, choose, and I have to set the output as, for example, this is vector 2. Save, close this one, and OK. We have to wait for ArcGIS to execute. So now raster to polygon is done. If we go for vector 2, open attribute table, so we have all the polygon is created, but we have 45,000 polygon is created. If we need to back to only for our 5 classes on our vector map polygon, we should do that from go for georeferencing. We have dissolve tool. In the dissolve tool, so this is vector 2. You have to give him the output and name it. This is dissolve dissolve 3. I have to put any name, and in the field you can choose the names, is optional. Click OK, and we have to wait for the ArcGIS to execute. Now the dissolve is created. Open attribute table, so if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we back the same 5 classes that we created, but now on the polygon, on the vector file. We can go for properties. From properties, always go for symbology. In the symbologies allow you to manipulate some. So go for categories. In the categories, select all the variables, and we have the names in here. We have all the classes. So for example, this is vegetation. You can change, click, double click. If you know the vegetation is green, so give him a green. This is river. You know the river is not rose. River is supposed to be like, this is blue. And this is urban area. Urban area is not green, like PG, something like this is so orange. You can choose this one. And this is bare soil. Bare soil is like, you can choose any color. Okay, give him this one. And desert, can give him any orange, like so there's orange. Okay, I'm gonna change this one, bare soil, give him like, for example, yellow, and apply. Okay, and remove the vector 2, class is a 3, only remove the composite. So this is how to convert your raster map to vector map, and then you use the dissolve functions to back your classes from multiple polygons into 5, same as 5 classes, and you can change the color from here, and now you have a polygon class. You can use it for your study. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.